Hello my friends, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're gonna use these two shades of a green color. The design of this bracelet, the credit for design of this bracelet goes to Justin Lassiter. I hope I pronounced it well. So before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I am wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. There you can find many other useful tutorials as well. So let's start. First we're gonna take the ends of our paracord and I forgot to mention, I joined those two colors together. Now pull it and create the cow hitch on the one side, so create a little bite like this. I'm gonna zoom a bit, and then from the top side into the buckle, and now pull it through the loop. From the top into the buckle, pinch it from the back side on top of the cord, then around, and from the back pass it through the loop. And now with the other cord, so I'm gonna zoom more a bit and we'll start. We're gonna take the right side cord and we're gonna pass it on top of those two cord strands, and now we're gonna take the left side and we're gonna pass it through the middle, so from the back through the middle, between the middle or the cord strands, then on top of the right strand through the middle and to the back side, and now we're gonna take the left and the right side and we're gonna create the basic cobra knot. So the right strand gonna go on top of those two cord strands, the left strand on top of the right strand, around and from the back through the loop on the right side. Pull it tight, cinch it, secure it, lock it, and proceed. So the right side on top of the cord strands, the left side of the left strand from the back through the middle between the cord strands, and then on top of the right side strand and from the top again into the middle. Now pull the right strand and from here make it tighter. Now create the basic cobra knot, so the green from the right side on top of those two cord strands, and now the left side green on top of the right side green, around and from the back through the loop on the right side. Now pull it tight, secure it, lock it as you wish, and proceed. So once more, the right strand on top of the cord strands, the left strand from the back through the middle between those two core strands, and then on top of the right side strand, and from the top again into the middle between the core strands. Now pull it tight, secure it, and create the cobra knot again. So on top of the core strands, on top of the right strand from the back through the loop on the right side, So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!